Anhui leading forklift parts company has been focusing on forklift spare parts since the year of 1998. The strength of our company is that we're supplying full-range parts for Heli forklifts and a wide variety of parts for JAC, Hangcha, Lanking, TCM, Tailift, Liugong, Baoli forklift trucks. Our company is a wholly owned subsidiary by HFSA Group, which is the biggest forklift parts distributor in China in the last 3 years. HFSA Group was founded in 1998. The main founders are from the most famous forklift company in Hefei City. With 22 years of joint efforts, we have developed into a famous group which focuses on forklift parts manufacturing, distributing, forklift rental, and forklift maintenance. Our group have 29 branches with a large center warehouse in Hefei City and 26 transit warehouses in China mainland. We've established good relationships with nearly 900 forklift parts manufacturers since 1998. Normally, we have more than 80,000 items on our shelves. You will have more options for forklift genuine parts, OEM parts, and aftermarket parts. Our headquarters is in Hefei City, Anhui Province, which is the most famous forklift trucks and parts production base in China. Nearly 10 forklift truck manufacturers in Hefei City, including Heli, JAC, TCM, TEU, Zhaochai, VMAX, Nima, Cherry forklifts. And more than 300 forklift parts manufacturers are located here in our area, which are basically producing all necessary parts and components of internal combustion forklifts and electric forklifts. You are warmly welcome to visit our city at your convenient time. We are very grateful for your inquiries. Please contact us for more information.